na wao ni wa maudhu kumima serikali na vala maofisi ma Huduma Center makwatikana musini wa Kitui vala ni kilomita mbingi kuma kisioni kicha Moi.
Nitutunga muveno ndo wa Huduma Center Kitui kwethia ikie kuka kudumia ando maito kutwete services ila maofa kwa Kitui ando ingine mateleka ando maibande birth certificates DRA kila kitu chote mpaka ndo wa pensions help na kila kitu na tuina muvea munene ndo wake nondo ando ingine mati twa cost ya transport kuthi Kitui na nitona mena muvea
Nivalana mwanenze makule serikali ya Musumbu William Ruto kuikithia Huduma Center ni yako musini wa mwingine kenda mwanenze kukwata uthukumi over kuvi
mema muda mathuku andu ala matakwata tikiti wa ribasa nitwatwethe kapa nene muthinyano wa umunzi na twitunga muvea munene vyu na ila ingi ukiza kwite kivila twiwathe kumunenge na ingi tukule Musumbu witu William Ruto yetu kwenda ofisi wono baba kuve mwingi atuthengeze kwenda kwake yetu amwiso ba mataini monze ngaya mutongwesi etheba muna itu na kwiwa matai maitu na akutulaila kwa maondo ala tukwenda na ala onze metumitwa niwe kala motundumea matundumea nesa
Huduma na ndumingi ona twaseleilwa amoni kwasia nini transport ya kuthikola twenda kosi ya ibande hizi twasene muvea muno
no monde na atumia ko ni mogete koza na ni matumia kano ni transport matumia ni tu ndo mala menda koza mwingi ekani batonze ka muzundu vitu oto zengeze baba ku makoza ya baba ku ndola ko na ndola mere na mamuda mateo makoza ba mazuki
enenze makisyokie na matethekana services kivathukanyo sivi kuhusu Seivande birth certificate of good conduct KRA pin SHA kati wa mauthukumia miangi
la aingi meokule nta community ya mathuki na community ya Mwingi East kana Mwingi yonde nitokulia with the Huduma Center ni established wakana ni eta ofisi wa Huduma Center Mwingi town with the nyasa belaja Mwingi
traveling wa mauvo kuma Mwingi katika kaunti ya Kitui ni Lina Musangi. Peter Munyasa ni chifu wa mathuki na valone na nandiki mama uvo wa weta
ni wawo kusanyolo kwa tete Joshua Matata mola uthito imona masya kuma mwene wa 3 mwaka ni wela wongomise kisomo skulu ni wa secondary wa Masongaleni county ya Makueni class ni cha form 3 balanzi kayo nisenya wake kanini Juma sya kumandea utisia afike hospitalini wa Ngwata wiwo kavala wanengi wenda wakwe vaka na kutumwa hospitalini monene wa wote kukwata utimbe angende kufikia omunde ndaesa kuthikumana na kwetha tena ukwati wa mwana wake ugendea kusite ya nundu ndawa ila wanengiwe ndi amutethia
mwana wakwatiwe ni mathina omwi wa 6 twazi wa muonza na yu ukumela byokomelele mwi wa 6 na mutwa Ngwata ya nengwe ndawa newa ngouyu ni mama isia ngouyu ngosi na nyina atatono ndona ngino munde na ku yumwene bune chuma ambyo kabaluka atulika ku na tia kwa makendi sima nyingine atika wa chuma na yake wa chuma
kanini Juma olasi anashaki ingilisi musi kumana na kukosa mbesa sya kusivya afisi ya wetandena ukwati wonde na wevu wa kumuvicha hospitalini siambe kumana wote kueleka wa mwana wake kumana na kwetha tena kivoloka na mundu wonde wa kumutethesya
kana kuka yingwethe betitwete kumaya twana nyake na matiwe meani na nyitu ninganga nao na mono ndona kuithia bisi kuma uya leu Iwi la Ngwati nyazenga yunikara nungu uno na kuma makendo mala na kuma wote ingwe ibalwa nini na kuma ibalwa keda no na mateja kuko mananza yo ni woma ingi kwanza mona nieleze kuko mananza onoga mugule kala wiye onda kuelezea
balaye kia kana mwana one wewe kwati wake wa kwa ile one wake kanini Juma wenda ndo mangole ulukulekela katika mutethesya kutithia mwana wake nikanasyo kesikulu valawe na uyetho wa mwana wake no kusioka aili unotona kukwatia maniwa angi wote kuoleka wakikondem
ngoyo la no kumbiwa ndinena aende na kundethia nitithio la mwana wakwa kwa ibinda yukita kandethia nundu ningumwendia nya maosio na ningwendacio kwingi kisomo akatumo na langi mwangangi wa lota kabisa ngamona ni umya aende na kundethia tuite mwana wiva kwa mwana oyo nundu onegisio ne musio no wito ithio ni mwana ndateza cia mundu mutane kwa teki nyange oyibui nde utethio ngina gakitethio na atu imepa mekunu kuende na kundethia mwana ucio akwa boye na ono andu angi matono o kumya kindu ngitono kundethia aimatavia
Mutongo TV kumanzavoni wodi ni Athange kaunti ni ya Makueni nyenito wa Mulei Mulingem
le musiaisa ni tweet ya wekeo nono mathina mawasya maovu asima konetie musiomwe kuma utuini wanza voni kuya Athange kaunti ya Makueni na lame kwitia utethio kutethesia mwana wo kukwata uiti tina wa kukwatwa ni uwe wa kikonde utekweleka kwa kilungu cha mitatu na balakwena na kanini Juma ulani nya wa Joshua Matata wakuwa miaka 11 ya sekana ndai so kwata uiti na kuwa OUM siondo mwana siana ingesi yake ile kwa kwithiwa atena ukwati mavolato maniwa ni Mulei Mulinge kuma kaunti ya Makueni na indi tuikwati ya musi usuno ukwata utethio ni kana mwana waviki ukwata uiti ula wailite tuithi nambe ni kana movea wa kuungamia uthukumi wa maofisa ma polisi kana National Police Service Commission NPSC no ikithisia ene kana iseso ye lukite ya wosani wa makuluto yethiwa na uwo withianu na ya kwikika NPSC ivikite wanza mambunge ya UCCA ni wetie ivania kuosa makuluto ngilie 10 sasa ilame weta ikatwaiwa kusilanzia mtandao ni kana kuvetanga chendi na wosania wa mabaki Benjamin Mwaka na ilivoti
Sani uwa makunutu ngili 10 wethirwe kumbeletu ni maunungu na iso mainge mono ukawawa lusani na kibindu kinge cha wasa nuswe kimanano.
And one of the issue of major concern was of course also transparency, equity and to curb out corruption. Of course I know the big issue of Go Digital is an issue that has been canvassed very intensively considering many factors. The need for the country to go through toward the automation side, the issue of appreciating some challenges, especially in far-flung areas of this country, where at times even the network is not available and may disadvantage majority of Kenyans. So as Parliament, we are also going to do a recommendation. I think the consultation is still ongoing, even to include the ministry and the CS. And we want to say as Parliament, we are going to support throughout the way to ensure that Kenyans get the much needed services.
Kana na movia wa NPSC ne kana wasanyo wethwa wikonyanziasio ndailaito ne kana atio movia woni wekirisia nongina isa sothi wethwe na wethianu.
We are going to come up with the dates and the roadmap for that recruitment. So the country needs to rest assured that the person is going to move in that direction.
We have options under the recruitment process whether to apply, like I said, pure automation, which we have discussed through the issues and challenges, or go hybrid, which is a huge possibility that we may want to consider, or even as a commission once we retreat and consider all national factors, there's even the option of using the existing mechanisms, which we have indicated to this committee that there are huge gaps, including legal interpretations that have been issued against the current regulations that we have resolved or we have attempted to address through the new regulations.
Muvea kuungamia uthukumi wa polisi wethetwo ikusanisia na uvisi wa munene wa polisi IG ungua muvea wa sese wa nthini kukwanya wandikani na wasani wa makulotu muno yulu wandu ula waile kuungamia budget ya uthukumi uno.
So there is a deliberate effort now, as the chair has indicated, to resolve these issues using various mechanisms. We have been in consultation with the service leadership, and I am happy to report that we are making a lot of progress. We need to be allowed to continue with the internal mechanisms for conflict resolution If that doesn't prove effective, then we will explore other strategies for working together, because the most important thing, Chair, is to work together as a team.
And we want also to commend the good cooperation, working relation between the Commission and the service. And the ugly scene that we saw before, tug of war between the payroll and the rest, issues that are being addressed internally, so that at least we can able to be addressed internally without bringing the ugly face out.
Vilingo mavo kumavamu sinilovi nyaneta wa Benjamin Mwakam.
Na indi musiaisi avo ivo tuikelangithio vilingi wa mauvo nonduka thiva zanda tikambuzu siokite thiwandi siokethia na kila kimathanguni kiokoni cha umundi nyeneta wa Robert.